In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import email contacts to Getresponse. We're going to walk through the fastest and most reliable way to bring your existing contacts into your Getresponse account so you can start using them in your campaigns right away. I'll go slowly, explain what each step actually means, and share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. First, log into your Getresponse account and head to the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Contacts. Click on that, and from the drop-down, select Add Contacts. This is where Getresponse lets you bring in new subscribers in bulk. Next, you'll be asked how you want to add those contacts. You'll see options like Upload a file or Paste from file. If you have your contacts stored in a spreadsheet like a CSV, TXT, or Excel file, Upload a file is usually the easiest and most accurate choice. Paste from file can be handy if you only have a small list or you're copying directly from another tool. But for most people, uploading the file works best and reduces errors. Before you actually upload the file, you'll need to choose where these contacts should go. Look for the drop-down menu that lets you select your target list. This is the email list or audience inside Getresponse that will hold these contacts. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct list, especially if you manage several different lists for different purposes, like newsletters, customers, or leads from specific campaigns. Now it's time to attach your file. You can drag and drop your CSV, TXT, or XLSX file directly into the upload box, or you can click the box to browse and select it from your computer. Make sure your file is clean and well organized, with one contact per row and clear column headers like email and name. After the file uploads, Getresponse will show you a mapping screen. Here, you'll match the columns from your file to the corresponding fields in Getresponse, such as mapping the email column to the email field and first name to the first name field. This step is important because it tells Getresponse exactly where to store each piece of information. When everything looks correct, click Import. Finally, you'll see a confirmation about permissions. Check the box confirming that you have permission to email these contacts, meaning they've opted in or otherwise agreed to hear from you. This is crucial for compliance and deliverability. Once you've confirmed, click Finish, and Getresponse will start importing your contacts into the list you selected.